Now I've gone to many events, and let's talk about weddings. So when you've got a very tall arrangement and you've got a beautiful display of flowers that's showcasing at the top head of the vase, naturally speaking, it's always in water. Now, you can't really police your guests, and there's a lot of fun happening around the guest table. So in order to prevent spillage, my advice is, why don't you create some gel crystals? Now that's going to be just as good as the water in the tall vase, a bit like that. So there is a difference, can you see that? Now by creating water crystals, and let me demonstrate, I've got a bit of baby's breath here, just going to cut that down, like that. Measure it against the vase, and that's telling me that I need to cut a little bit more off the feet, and then I can place it into the gel like that. Now that's going to keep my flowers hydrated, and I don't have to worry about any vase full of water being knocked over, especially on an event which is your wedding. This is going to be very safe. Now let me demonstrate how you can create your water crystals, your gel. I've got a vase here with natural water, and to my left here is what it looks like when you're purchasing your water storage crystals. You can purchase this at Bunnings, and using your teaspoon, I am going to just take a teaspoon out of the container and bring it across to my water like that. Now that's going to need about 2 teaspoons. I'm going to mix it. Now a tip, if you're using warm water, it's going to be a lot more easier for the water crystals to be then absorbed than cold water. So I'm going to let that sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, and after 5 to 10 minutes you're going to get this beautiful effect, the crystallizing effect, especially if your theme is Christmas in July and you've just created some snowflakes in your vase accompanied with your floral displays on top. That's going to be really inviting and very eye-catching. So I hope you've enjoyed that tip.